Ever wonder what makes a relationship last? Well, today we delve into that mystery. The question of lasting relationships has baffled many. The silver screen paints a picture of soulmates destined to be together, while reality often tells a different tale. No two relationships are identical, and yet there are common threads that seem to weave through those that stand the test of time. Contrary to popular belief, it's not just about shared hobbies or having the same taste in music. It's not about never arguing or agreeing on every single thing. It's deeper, more intricate. It's about how we interact, how we understand, and how we commit to one another. So what's the secret sauce that makes relationships thrive in the long run? Is there a formula or a blueprint we can follow? We're here to explore these questions and more. Stay tuned as we unveil the 10 secrets to a lasting relationship. Secret number 1, communication. It's the lifeblood of any thriving relationship. Open and honest communication builds a bridge of understanding, connecting two hearts in a way that is profound and meaningful. It's more than just exchanging information. It's about understanding the emotions and intentions behind the words. It's about listening, truly listening, not just with your ears, but with your heart. It's about sharing your thoughts, your fears, your dreams, and your hopes. It's about being there, being present, being fully engaged in the moment. Communication is not just about talking. It's also about silence, about understanding what's not being said. It's about being comfortable in each other's silence, knowing that silence too speaks volumes. It's about trust, about being vulnerable, about opening up and letting someone in. It's a dance, a delicate dance of words and silences, of thoughts and feelings, of hopes and fears. Remember, good communication is the foundation of any lasting relationship. Moving on to secret number 2, mutual respect. This is the cornerstone of any strong relationship. It's about more than just being polite. It's about truly valuing your partner's thoughts, feelings, and experiences. It's about listening when they talk and really hearing them, not just waiting for your turn to speak. It's about appreciating their individuality, their quirks, their passions, and their dreams. When you respect your partner, you acknowledge their right to be themselves, to have their own opinions and emotions. You don't belittle their ideas or dismiss their feelings, even when you disagree. Instead, you engage in open, honest, and respectful dialogue. You strive to understand, even if you can't always agree. Mutual respect means treating each other with kindness and empathy every day, even on the days when you're not feeling particularly loving or lovable. It's a choice you make, one that strengthens your bond and deepens your connection. Respect your partner and watch your relationship flourish. Next up, secret number 3, quality time. In the hustle and bustle of life, it's easy to lose sight of the importance of simply being together. But sharing experiences, creating memories, these are the threads that weave the fabric of a relationship. Quality time isn't about grand gestures or elaborate plans. It's about giving each other the gift of your undivided attention. It's about being present, in the moment, with each other. Whether it's a quiet dinner at home, a walk in the park, or simply sitting together in silence, quality time is about connection. It's about understanding and appreciating each other on a deeper level. It strengthens the bond, enriches the relationship, and creates a reservoir of shared memories that can sustain you through any storms life may bring. Never underestimate the power of quality time. Let's dive into secret number 4, shared goals. Imagine 2 people pulling a heavy load. It's unquestionably easier when both are pulling in the same direction. This is the essence of shared goals in a relationship. It's about converging paths where each person's individual journey melds into a collective one. It's about creating a shared vision for the future, a mutual destination you're both committed to reaching. Having shared goals doesn't mean sacrificing personal ambitions. Rather, it signifies the willingness to integrate these ambitions into a broader perspective where both partners can thrive. Whether it's buying a home, starting a family, or even planning a dream vacation, these shared objectives weave a thread of unity and partnership. Shared goals foster a sense of teamwork, encouraging mutual support and shared victories. They make the journey worthwhile, infusing every step with purpose and direction. And remember, every goal achieved together is a testament to your bond, shared goals, a common path to a lasting relationship. Halfway through, secret number 5, acceptance. Let's delve into it, shall we? Acceptance is not about turning a blind eye to each other's flaws. It's about acknowledging them, embracing them, and understanding that they are a part of the person we have chosen to be with. Each of us is a unique tapestry of characteristics, experiences, and quirks. It's these differences that make us who we are. In a relationship, it's essential to remember that acceptance goes beyond just tolerating these differences. It's about understanding and appreciating them, even when they challenge us. In the journey of love, acceptance acts as a compass, guiding us through the ups and downs. It reminds us that love is not about changing the other person, but about celebrating them for who they are, flaws and all. With acceptance comes a deeper connection, a stronger bond, and a love that is truly lasting. Acceptance, the key to embracing a lasting love. Coming up, secret number 6, trust. It's the solid foundation upon which all successful relationships are built. Trust is more than just believing in your partner's words or actions. It's about feeling safe, secure, and confident in your shared journey. When trust is present, you don't need to question your partner's intentions because you know their actions are guided by mutual respect and love. Trust isn't built overnight. It's a result of consistent honesty, openness, and understanding. In the face of uncertainty or conflict, trust is the safety net that catches us, the beacon that guides us back to common ground. It's the silent agreement that, despite the ups and downs, you'll always have each other's back. Trust is a choice, a commitment to stay true, even when the going gets tough. It's the courage to be vulnerable, to let your guard down, knowing your partner will cherish and protect your heart. Trust, the cornerstone of a lasting bond. On to secret number 7, affection. A simple yet powerful word, affection is the glue that binds hearts together. It's the sweet kisses as you pass each other in the hallway, the gentle touch on the arm as you share a joke, the warm hugs after a long day. It's these small gestures of tenderness that keep the emotional connection vibrant and alive. Affection isn't just about physical touch, though. It's also about expressing your love and care in words, in actions, and even in silence. It's about showing your partner that you cherish their presence in your life, that you value their happiness as much as your own. It's a shared smile, a whispered, "I love you," a surprise breakfast in bed, a handwritten note tucked into a jacket pocket. These are the threads that weave the fabric of a lasting relationship. Never underestimate the power of affection. It's a potent antidote to the challenges that life throws at us. Show affection, keep the spark alive. Next, secret number 8, compromise. It's the unsung hero of long-lasting relationships, the secret ingredient that keeps things balanced and harmonious. You see, in a relationship, disagreements are as inevitable as the sunrise. And when they arise, it's not about who's right or wrong, but how you navigate these choppy waters together. Compromise is like a dance. It requires grace, patience, and the willingness to step back so your partner can step forward. It's about understanding that the relationship is more important than any single disagreement. It's about finding a solution that respects both parties' needs and desires. Remember, compromise isn't about sacrificing your needs for the sake of peace. It's about creating a space where both partners can express their needs and find a solution that works for both. So learn this dance, embrace it, and let it guide you through the ups and downs of your relationship. Compromise, the art of finding middle ground. Almost there, secret number 9, independence. It might seem counterintuitive, but maintaining your individuality is key to a long-lasting relationship. You see, it's about balance. Yes, you're a duo, a team, a pair, but you're also two unique individuals, and that's beautiful. Cultivating your independence means nurturing your personal hobbies, interests, and friendships outside the relationship. It's about having your own thoughts, opinions, and ideas and feeling free to express them. This doesn't mean you don't value your partner's input, but rather, it means you respect and acknowledge each other's individuality. Think of it this way: 2 trees standing side by side. They share the same soil, the same sunshine, they weather the same storms. Yet, they grow independently, each with their own branches and leaves. They stand together, yet apart, and it's this balance that makes their existence harmonious and enduring. Preserve your independence, enrich your relationship. Finally, secret number 10, love. Yes, love. That seemingly simple four-letter word that carries with it a world of emotions. It's the cornerstone of every lasting relationship, the driving force that propels us to do great things and make sacrifices. Love isn't just about the butterflies in your stomach during the honeymoon phase. It's about the deep, enduring affection that grows over time. It's about choosing your partner every day in spite of their flaws and imperfections. But remember, love is not just a feeling, it's an action. It's the little things you do each day to show your partner that you care. It's the comforting silence you share, the laughter that fills your home, the hand that reaches out in the middle of the night. Love is the thread that weaves through every other secret we've discussed. Without love, all else is meaningless. In the end, it all boils down to love. We've gone through the 10 secrets to a lasting relationship. Let's take a moment to remember them. Communication, the bedrock of understanding, the bridge that connects two hearts. Mutual respect, acknowledging the worth and value of your partner. Quality time, because nothing says "I care" like giving someone your undivided attention. Shared goals, the realm where dreams intertwine and grow together. Acceptance, loving your partner for who they are, not who you want them to be. Trust, the sturdy foundation upon which love stands tall. Affection, the gentle whispers of love that bring warmth and comfort. Compromise, the art of balancing desires and needs for the sake of harmony. Independence, space for personal growth that complements the relationship. And, of course, love, the lifeblood of any lasting relationship. Remember these secrets, apply them, and watch your relationship bloom.